Go to the toilet.
Yes, you may go to the toilet.
Okay.
Yes, there are.
The changes of situation with changes in parameters. One.
Nafal, wait, Nafal. Okay, Mecca. So, space-time relationship, we need to describe what, Mecca? What do we need to describe? Huh? Tak dengar? You cannot hear my voice or you cannot hear my question? Which one?
Voice.
You cannot hear my voice?
Tu nak tutup lagu situ kena tangan dah.
Okay, it's okay, Mecca. You can turn off the microphone. Alright, Nafal, just now you gave teacher the answer. Can you turn on the microphone, Nafal?
Why?
Nafal, space-time relationship, what do we need to describe? What do we need to describe first?
The changes of situation.
The changes of situation.
Situation.
Yes, the changes in the situation that you observe. Thank you, Naufal. Okay. So the changes is what we call para what?
Parameter.
Good job, everyone. So those changes we describe in parameter. Okay, so yesterday we already wrote 6 parameter, right? So those parameter is only example, okay? Example for you. In science, right? In science, they won't provide you the same question like the one that teacher already teach you, right? As long as you understand, parameter is the things that will change in the experiment. So you will know, the temperature of water will change if we add heating time. So means the temperature of water is what? Kasih, the temperature of water is what if the temperature of water change? Kasih. Jaya Kasih, turn on the microphone.
Yes.
Okay, let's say if we add eating time, our yesterday's experiment, if we add heating time, okay.
I didn't come. I didn't join the yesterday.
You didn't join yesterday? I think I saw you yesterday. You didn't join?
No, I joined late.
Oh, you joined late. Okay, it's okay. You can turn off the microphone. Zafif, can Zafif turn on the microphone, Zafif?
Yes.
Okay, Zafif, for our yesterday's experiment, right? Okay, for the experiment, they say that if we add heating time, we increase heating time, okay? The temperature of water will increase or decrease, Zafif?
Increase.
Increase, good job. So, between heating time and temperature of water, which one is our parameter?
Assalamualaikum, teacher.
Waalaikumsalam.
Water temperature.
Water temperature, good job, Zafif. Thank you. Okay, so teacher need you guys to know that in science question, you already primary 4. Okay, so you need to get used in understanding what the question wants from you. Okay, it's totally different from the one that you have learned in primary 3, because in primary 3 the question is quite direct. Okay, they will just ask you what is the third planet. They will just ask you like that. Okay, but for primary 4, okay, you have to learn how to understand the question. Okay, all right, so teacher will share the screen with you. We're going to continue.
Temperature.
Yes, Fahmi?
Are we going to learn temperature?
No, we are going to learn about space-time relationship today. Fahmi, you didn't join the class yesterday, right? Fahmi? Jaden, microphone, Jaden.
I don't know.
Fahmi, yesterday you joined the class or not?
Yesterday.
Yesterday. You joined the class or not? If you didn't join the class yesterday, make sure you watch the recorded video. Okay, Fahmi? Make sure you watch the recorded video.
I didn't join.
Make sure you watch the recorded video that teacher already uploaded. Alright. Okay, so inshallah today we are going to continue with the space-time relationship. Okay, space-time relationship, you have to look at the two things, okay? Look, even at the title, we have two things, space-time relationship. So in the question, okay, in the question for space-time relationship, they usually will give you time, okay? They usually will give you time. Can teacher have Haris Aiman? Haris Aiman already come back from the toilet or not? Haris Aiman. Okay, Haris, can you read this question?
What will happen to the candle after 20 minutes?
Okay, thank you, Haris. So we have space and time relationship question here. So which one can we underline for the time, Haris? Which one is the time given to us? Which
20
one?
minutes.
20 minutes. Good job, Haris Aiman. Thank you. So when you read the question, make sure you underline the important point, okay? For example, when you read this question, what will happen to the candle after 20 minutes? So you know, oh, this one is the time given, right? So you can write, okay, this one is the time given. Okay. Can teacher have
Assalamualaikum, Teacher Diha.
Waalaikumsalam, Zikri. Okay. Can teacher have Arayan? Arayan?
Yes.
Okay, Arayan. So for space-time relationship, we have to measure parameter and time, right?
Yes.
So we already have our time. What is the other thing that we don't have? Arayan? Astaghfirullahaladzim, Arayan.
Teacher, what?
Start with P. P, Arayan.
Parameter.
Parameter. Okay, so in our case now, we have a candle. So which parameter we want to look at, Arayan?
With parameter we want to look at.
Parameter, we have example just now 6. Yesterday we learned about 6 example of parameter. So if we want to observe a candle, which parameter we can use? Candle.
Teacher, what is parameter?
Yes, hey.
Shape.
What is parameter?
Fahmi, in order for you to know the parameter, you have to watch the recorded video, okay? Alright everyone, if you absent in the previous class, okay, please watch the recorded video, okay? It's impossible for teacher to repeat my yesterday lesson all over again. I'm so sorry, I cannot do that. If you guys absent, please watch the recorded video, okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay. Alright, so yesterday we have learned about 6 example of parameter. But in the question, okay, it's not necessarily they will give you those 6 parameter. Okay, sometimes they will give the other thing. Alright. It's okay, teacher will explain first about this candle. Alright, so if we want to look at the space-time relationship of this candle, okay, can teacher ask Jaden? Jaden, can you turn on the microphone, Jaden?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Jaden, this candle, right? If we leave this candle after 20 minutes, what will happen to this candle?
It will try.
You will try. Okay, let's say. Okay, you said that the candle will melt, right? The candle will melt. So, what is the changes that happen to the candle?
The candle.
Okay, this is the first.
The height.
The height of the candle. When you hit the candle for 20 minutes, what will happen after 20 minutes?
It will be small.
It will
Teacher,
be.
JD didn't answer that. Yes, just now Haris Aiman did answer je.
Okay. Jaden, can you share with teacher, Jaden, what will happen to this candle after 20 minutes? Okay, what will happen? The height, okay, the height. What will happen to the height? It will become longer or shorter?
Shorter.
It will become shorter. Thank you, Jaden. Okay, you can turn off the microphone. All right. So this candle, okay, it will become shorter as the time goes by. Okay. So what you need to look at in space-time relationship is what is the changes that happen. So the length of this candle is the changes that happen in this experiment, okay, the candle experiment, right? As the time goes by, we can see that the length of candle will become shorter and shorter, and eventually, okay, there will be nothing left, right, of the candle. Okay, so this is the type of the changes that you can see in the experiment. Okay, so once again, all right, teacher will explain to you that in space-time relationship, we have to look at two things. Can you show teacher your hand how many things we have to look at in the space-time relationship? How many?
Two.
Two. We have to look at two things. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Teacher will repeat this one. Okay. All right. In the space-time relationship, we have to look at two things. The parameter and also the time. The parameter and the time. Okay. The parameter and the time. What is parameter? Parameter is the changes that happen throughout the experiment. For our candle experiment now, the changes is the length, okay, the length of the candle. All right, when we hit the candle, after 20 minutes, after 10 minutes, it will become shorter. So the length of the candle is our parameter. Can you understand? Can you understand so far? Yes?
Yep.
Okay, kali. Okay, parameter.
I understood, teacher.
Okay, so teacher hope you guys can understand what is meant by parameter and space-time relationship. Okay, so the most important thing, please remember, whenever you read the question, please underline. Okay, use your pencil. It's okay to scribble around in your book. Okay, it's okay to scribble around, but don't just draw anything that not related to science. You can just, after you read question, you can underline the important point, all right, so that you know. For example, this question, after you read what will happen to the candle after 20 minutes, then you underline this one. Oh, 20 minutes is the time given, so what will happen? So what we need to look at, right? So the candle, we will observe the length of the candle changes. That's how you tackle the question in science. Okay, all right, we're going to continue discussing. Okay, we're going to continue discussing our yesterday's activity on page
Close the chat box, teacher.
Allahu Akbar, primary 4 student. Okay, done. Teacher can see who raised up your hand just now. Ryan, Ryan, have you found your book, Ryan? Ryan,
Yes.
have you found your book?
No.
No. Before this, you have your book or not, Ryan?
Yes. And then
Yes.
suddenly tak ada at my rak.
Somewhere else? Have you tried to find somewhere else?
Yes, but no. No, there's no.
Teacher, I
The
already have my skill hebat book.
The book is not.
Okay, because yesterday teacher tried to scan my book to upload in CISO for you, but I couldn't do it. I don't know what is the problem with my scanning apps.
I don't understand the first part of the. I didn't hear the first part of the class. Teacher, may I go to toilet?
Yes, you may go, Ryan. Safia, just now when you joined, teacher just started our class. You're not left behind. Okay, you're not left
I
behind.
was busy solat.
Huh?
I was busy solat.
It's okay. You're not left behind. Teacher just started our class when you joined us just now. Right? Yes?
I can hear, but I can't see.
Okay, so for now, can you guys open page 6? Page 6 in your Skill Hebat book. Page 6 now. Okay. Yesterday, we already discussed until B or C yesterday.
All.
All.
C.
Not yet. All we haven't discussed all yet. Until C, right? You have to predict the temperature of water if we extend the heating temperature, heating time, right? Until 25 minutes, correct? Correct or not, everyone?
Teacher,
Correct.
I still don't know answer number B.
Number B. B state the difference in the water temperature from the 5th minute to the 20th minute. Okay, yesterday we already discussed B. The answer is
60 Celsius.
60 degree Celsius. Okay, Ryan, if you don't have the book, it's okay. Teacher will show here first, okay? I'll try to scan again. I thought you already found your book. It's okay, teacher will show here.
Teacher, can I just use my science practical book?
Yes, you can do that, but you will need to copy the question later, Ryan. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay, later teacher will show on my screen. You can copy in your practical book, okay? All right.
And then send the work.
Teacher,
after we do the skill habit, we need to take pictures and in a seesaw, right?
No, usually teacher will for science, teacher would prefer for us to discuss, to just discuss.
Man, no.
Then you can
so bored.
you can check your answer right away. Okay.
I'm so bored. I'm so bored when no activity. I like activity.
Okay. So wait, teacher will share the screen again with you, right? Okay. Yes.
When we can go into the school, when the school open, can we do page like the book? Page 20.
Page 20. The experiment.
And yeah, the science practice. This.
Oh, you wanna do ni the boat Ameh?
Yeah.
The boat? Can. The rocket as well we can do. Okay, don't worry, we can do the experiment even though we have online class, okay? Later inshallah teacher will try to find a suitable experiment for you to do at home, okay? Don't worry. Okay, Fahmi microphone off. Umar Mutahir, sit down Umar Mutahir. Do you have your skill hebat book, Umar Mutahir?
Hold on, let me grab it.
Astaghfirullahalazim. Go grab it first. Okay, so can you guys see my screen? Can you show me thumbs up if you can see my screen?
No, you are not present.
Wait.
Yay! Can.
Can see? Can see?
Can, teacher.
Okay. I can see. Zikri Ikram, you can see or not? Zikri? Okay, you can see some of you is showing me thumbs up already. Thank you. Okay, so this is the activity. Ryan Ramli, can you see? Can you see Ryan? Ryan?
Yes.
Yes, can you see?
Yes.
Yes, okay, so.
Page what?
Page what? Page 6.
I didn't find it.
Page 6.
I didn't find it.
Why you didn't find it? Okay, so Amir asked teacher the question for B just now, right? For B. Okay, question for B just now. We already discussed yesterday how to find the differences. So the answer here, okay, the answer for B is 60. Don't forget the unit. I'm so sorry for my handwriting. Okay, degree Celsius. Okay. So for C, you need to predict. Okay, this is where you use your science process skill that we have learned before this. prediction skills. Okay, that's what I'm talking about, right? We learn about science process skill and we're going to apply it in experiment. Experiment or question like this. Okay. So the question asks you to predict the possible water temperature if we continue to heat the water until 25. Alright, until 25. So when you read the question, underline like this. Okay, so yesterday your friend already shared with teacher the answer. The answer is 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, 100 degrees Celsius.
If they underline okay ke?
Huh?
If they didn't underline, it's okay ke?
It's better for you to underline so that you can understand the question better. Okay? Alright.
Okay.
Okay. So, next one. Who teacher haven't called yesterday? Who teacher haven't called your name? Hasif. Teacher haven't called your name yesterday. Hasif, can you turn on the microphone?
Yes.
Yes. Hasif, can you read question D for teacher?
Okay. What is the trend of the change in the water temperature during this investigation?
So, the question asks you about what, Hasif? Okay, teacher want everyone now underline like this, trend of change. Everyone underline inside your book.
Okay.
Underline everyone inside your book. So that you will know what did the question want from you. Okay. This is the easiest way for you to know, okay, what is the question want from you. Right. What is the trend of change? Trend of change of what? Of water temperature. Underline water temperature, everyone. Yes.
Do we have to underline difference ke or perbezaan? For B, because you underline bezaan.
Oh, sorry. It should be different because we are learning in English. Thank you, Fahmi, for telling teacher. Underline difference. Okay, I'm so sorry. We are learning in English. So you have to read the question in English, right? Okay. So the question one from you is trend of change. Trend of change of what? Trend of change in water temperature. So for trend, okay, for you to answer the question of trend, we only have two choices of answer. Two choices of answer. First one, okay.
Hi, Tuna first.
First one is increase. Right. The second one, the second choice that you have is decrease. Teacher hope everyone already know what is meant by increase and decrease. Okay.
Kurang dan
Yes, increase means more. Increase means more. It will become more. It will become higher. Decrease, okay. Decrease.
Will become lower.
Yes, become lower, become less. If the temperature, it will become lower. If the length, it will become shorter. All right. Okay, so that is what increase and decrease means. Okay. So teacher one, who teacher haven't called your name yet? Yesterday. Amsha Khalif, turn on the microphone, Amsha Khalif.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam, adik. Okay, Amsha Khalif.
Ini buku sarap. Buku sarap apa ni?
Adik, skill hebat book adik.
Bukan buku surat apa?
Muka surat, page 6 sayang, page 6. Okay, Amsha Khalif, where are you Amsha Khalif? Amsha Khalif. Amsha Khalif.
don't forget about day and date.
Fahmi, do not simply turn on the microphone.
Teacher, can I ask a question?
Yes, Jaden. Yes, correct.
Why have two Umar Mutahir?
Uma, are you using two device, Uma?
Why have two
Umar, are you
Naufal? Naufal. Yes, teacher, why there's still no fault at my screen?
Wait. Who teacher haven't called your name yet? Page 6. Okay. Darwish, can Darwish turn on the microphone, Darwish? Darwish. Yes, Zikri? Who asked teacher just now? Yes, Zikri?
Which page are we at next?
Page 6, Zikri, 6. Darwish, well done. Turn on the microphone, Darwish, faster, faster. Darwish.
Teacher, I'm bored. I don't know what to do because I'm teaching the activity.
That's why, Naufa, you cannot do the book before you, it's okay for you to do the additional activity. It's great for you. But if you use our school book, okay, later when your friend are doing the work, you won't know what to do anymore. You can buy another book, okay, Naufa, for you to do the additional activity, okay?
Teacher, I'm 10%, but it's okay. I have one phone I can use to translate to this class.
Do you have the charger, Amir?
Actually, this is my mom's computer.
So do you have the charger?
Yes.
You can go take the charger first.
But
Teacher, why have to Nafa?
to the TV, teacher, I have to carry this laptop.
Okay lah, Amir. Okay. Alright.
Teacher,
Let's continue, everyone. Yes.
Teacher, why have to Nafa Kimi?
It's okay, Jaden. Don't focus on Nafa Hakimi. Just focus on this class first. Okay. So if you look at the table, everyone look at the table inside your book. Look at the table inside your book. Okay, so what is the trend of change in water temperature? Trend of change in water temperature. What is the trend of change? Increase or decrease, Jaden? Since you already turned on the microphone, increase or decrease, Jaden?
Increase?
Increase.
Decrease.
Increase, the number will become more. Decrease, the number will become less. Which one?
Decrease.
Jaden only. Increase or decrease, Jaden?
Decrease.
Jaden, look at your book, Jaden. The number in the table is become more or less. Jaden?
More.
20, then become 40, then become 60, then become 80. Become more or less?
More. So increasing.
More.
Yeah.
Yes. So the answer is increasing. Increase. Okay. So this one, increase. Right. So this is the answer, increase.
Teacher, that's not my answer.
If you answer increase or increasing, both is acceptable. Okay.
With
Okay.
What about the trend? Is every 5 minutes
Yes.
the temperature will rise by 20 degrees or something.
Okay. For
Teacher.
trend, for question of trend, you have to state increase or decrease. That is the most important part.
teacher,
Yes.
what is the answer for A?
Water temperature.
Fahmi, just now teacher already explained about this one. Parameter is the things that change. If we add more time, the parameter will change. So if we, Fahmi, just now teacher already explained about this one. This one we already discussed yesterday. Okay. So the answer for A, can Adam Iman help to give the answer to Fahmi? Adam, what is the answer for A yesterday?
Teacher, Jaden not mute. Oh, it's me.
Astaghfirullahalazim.
Temperature of water.
Temperature of water. Thank you, Adam Iman. Fahmi, this is the answer. Temperature of water. Because if we add heating time, temperature of water will change. So the answer is temperature of water. Okay. So next one. How to answer question
Wait.
E?
My answer at D is increase in water temperature.
Yes,
Is that
can
good?
Zafif, as long as you have the word increase. Can?
Okay.
Okay. Haziq, Tengku Haziq, can you read the question E for teacher, Tengku Haziq? Tengku Haziq. Alright, Ayuni, can Ayuni read question Ayuni, can Ayuni read question E for teacher? Ayuni. I don't know you guys are there or not because Akif Razin, read the question E, Akif Razin. Akif Razin.
Yes.
Okay, Akif, read question E. What is the relationship? Akif, read this one. What is the relationship?
What is the relationship
Between
between time and water temperature?
Okay, thank you, Akif Razin. Okay, everyone, now teacher want you to, okay, Akif, good job. Turn off the microphone. Okay, teacher want you guys to underline the important point here. Heating time and water temperature. And also relationship.
Can I answer?
Who want to answer just now?
Zafif.
Zafif. Okay. Zafif want to answer. Alright, wait, teacher will explain first, okay? For this type of question, okay, this type of question, you have to look at what the question wants from you as usual. So this question wants the relationship between heating time and water temperature. Okay, heating time and water temperature. Okay, Zafif, can Zafif share your answer with us?
The answer is more heating time, more water temperature.
The more, okay. Your concept, okay, the way you answer the question already correct, but we need to change the term first. Okay, it's okay, Zafif, can you repeat your answer? More
Heating time,
more heating time,
more water temperature.
more water temperature.
Teacher, my
Okay.
answer is longest boiling time.
Longer what, Amin?
Temperature.
Longer what?
Longer boiling time.
Boiling time. The question asks you heating time. You need to follow the question. Okay, Ahmed, it's okay. Can you repeat your answer one more time?
Longer boiling time and
Okay.
water temperature.
Longer boiling time, longer water temperature.
Teacher, my answer is as time increases, the temperature rises.
As time increases, the temperature rise. Okay, acceptable. All right. Okay.
Teacher, I want to know spelling of the increasing.
Okay. Wait. All right. Your answer just now is already correct in terms of concept. Okay. In answering question for relationship, okay, we need to have this. Either is more, or more. Wait, teacher will show in the Jamboard. It's okay. We will write the notes later. Okay. Before that, teacher need to remind you for today's class. For your Kalish, what? Wait, Kalish. for your individual self-learning today, okay, can we do notes together instead? Can we do that? Can? For your individual self-learning, we will do the notes together, okay? So that you know how to answer the question later. Can we do that?
Teacher, do we have to?
Teacher, how to spell increase?
Do we have to do?
Ryan, I couldn't hear your question.
Do we have to do the notes together?
Yes, after this, okay, after this we will do together. All right. So the function of this note, so that the next time you look at the question of relationship, you will know how to answer the question, okay? I'm not doing this for fun. I'm doing this to help you, okay? Teacher can see just now when I said that we are going to do the notes together for individual self-learning. Some of you are shaking your head. Some of you are making faces. Please remember that I'm doing this to help you, right? I'm not doing this for fun. Okay, our individual self-learning, it should be you do the work on your own. But if you don't know how to answer the question, how you want to do the work on your own. So I'm trying to help you here. Okay. So after this, when you already know how to answer the question, you can do the individual self-learning on your own. All right? Okay. So just now your friend answer more heating time, more water temperature. Okay, the concept is already correct. All right? It's just that we need to change the term a bit. Okay? More water temperature. More water temperature. We can use Zafif for more water temperature. Zafif can change with higher, okay?
Can I answer?
The more, yes. Yes, Adam, can you share with teacher the answer?
Water temperature increase with more heating time.
Yes, correct. Okay. Adam's answer just now, correct as well, okay. Alright, so,
Teacher,
yeah.
but when I answer in exam, if I answer more heating time and more water temperature, it will be correct or not?
It will be
The
correct.
exam.
It will be correct.
Teacher,
will-
my answer is the water is increase the water temperature.
Huh? What, Khalis?
The water is increase the water temperature.
The water is increase the water temperature?
I think wrong.
No, it's not wrong. The water temperature already correct. It's just that you need to complete your answer. Okay, can everyone check your answer? All right, as long as you have more heating time, okay? So you need to have a higher temperature. The more you heat the water, okay, the temperature will be higher. That is the main point, okay? All right. So, Zafif, your answer in the exam will be accepted. Teacher will accept your answer. It's just that we can change the word a bit, okay? Because of more water temperature, teacher can understand that the temperature is increasing, okay? The temperature become more, but the higher water temperature is more suitable, okay? All right, it's okay. By the time you do the activity, you will know which one is the most suitable word for you to use. Okay, can everyone check your answer for E? Have you checked your answer for E, everyone? Done? Can you show teacher thumbs up if you already checked your answer E, everyone? Show teacher thumbs up. Okay. Done? Checking E. Okay, so for your individual self-learning, once again, teacher will remind you for today's class, okay, we will do the notes together, okay? It's not that I'm doing this for fun so that you won't have your learning time alone or whatnot. It's just that teacher want to help you, okay? Teacher want to help you to do the notes, okay? So that the next time you see this type of question, you know, oh, this one I should answer like this. This one I should answer like this. Okay? All right. Can you open your practical book, the blue book? Can you open your blue book? Done? Everyone already open? Open, okay, open.
What book, sir?
Practical book. Okay, yesterday we have done the notes about parameter, okay, parameter. Teacher hope you guys still remember what is the parameter, right? Okay, so the 6 parameter, alright, the 6 parameter that we wrote inside your book yesterday, alright, is just the example, okay, 6 example, right, so that you can refer to. Inside your activity just now. Yes, Fahmi?
Today 17 ke? Date.
Today, oh, okay, wait, teacher will share the screen. Yes, today is 17. Write the date and date. Use new page, everyone. Use new page.
Teacher.
Yes. Yes, Amir?
When are we gonna enter school back?
Amir, I don't know as well.
No.
I don't know as well. I don't want to give you I don't want to give you like a certain answer. I want you guys to come back to school as well, but what to do? I don't know when you guys can come back to school.
Sorry, I just... When COVID is over.
Okay, Kasih haven't finished asking me question, but she already left the class. Maybe she need to charge her phone or iPad. Okay, so day for today. It's okay, everyone. Teacher want to go back to school as well. I want you guys to come back to school as well, but I don't know when all this will end.
Because we're actually like
to be a lot more than COVID-19.
went to school before.
Let's
Not like in this school.
Okay,
I
so
never went to school in this.
we'll go down. Yes.
Teacher, I miss school.
I miss school and I miss you guys as well.
Me too. I miss
Me
my
too.
school.
Me too. I miss all the teacher and I miss my book.
My school.
Yes.
Teacher, some teachers teach us from home, some teachers teach us from school. Right, teacher?
Just now two students are talking at the same time, so I couldn't really hear your question.
Teachers teach from home, some teachers teach from school. Right, teacher?
Yes, correct. Okay. So let's write today. Our notes is going to be about the relationship. Okay, relationship just now. All right. So write the title first. Sorry, title.
The title is the subject is science. The title is note.
The title is note.
Yeah, we're gonna write the note.
The title for today. Okay, we're going to look at the relationship. Relationship. Okay, right? The title, relationship. Okay. So relationship. Right first. Okay, just now many of you share with teacher your answer. Okay, all of your answer is correct. It's just that you need to be careful. Okay, you need to be careful with what the question wants from you. Okay, so the relationship. Okay, the relationship we need to see. Right. If we, for example, just now, if we add the heating time, what will happen to the water temperature? Okay, we want to see the relationship. Okay, the correlation. What will happen if we do this? Okay, so the easiest way for you to remember. Okay, the easiest way for you to remember how to answer this type of question is, okay, we can put like this. Okay, So okay, write first, later teacher will explain, okay? The higher something something. The
higher
you do lower first lah.
the lower.
Lower something something. Okay, this something something you have to refer in the question, okay? You have to refer in the question. Right. This one is the first one. First one you can use.
Teacher, I know. The higher.
Okay.
I want to answer question number 1.
This one is not question, sayang. This one is the example. Example how you want to answer the question for relationship.
Do we need to write it down?
Yes. Yes. You have to write this inside your notebook. The practical.
Then I want to.
Yes.
Hello?
Zayden, teacher can hear you. Do you have anything to ask teacher?
No.
Then while you turn on the microphone. This one is just the example, okay? I'll give you example, then you need to change accordingly, okay? You need to change accordingly. Which one is suitable for you? Yes?
This is the last class, right?
Last class for what?
For this.
Last class for today?
Ha.
Yes. Okay, this one is just example, okay? This one is just example. Later, when you read the question, you have
to copy it.
Yes. Copy this. Copy this inside your book.
Higher, what?
The higher, what? This one, the empty space here, you have to refer in the question letter. Okay, you have to refer in
the question is what?
Not what. The question will give you what to write here. For example, the first one just now, okay? The first one we measure temperature of water with a heating time, right? Just now we measure temperature of water with heating time just now. Yes? Yes? Do you have anything to ask teacher just now?
Nothing.
No.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Okay. This one is the example. I sincerely want you guys to understand how to answer the question first, okay? Because after this, there's a lot of questions that need you guys to answer about relationship, answer about prediction, okay? So that's why you need to...
I'm back because laptop out of battery.
Okay, so you already charged them?
I have to wait my mom to come back to charge it.
Okay. All right. So just now, this is the example of the question, okay, that we done in the book just now. Okay, we heat the water, right? We heat the water. So when we heat the water, what will increase? The water temperature will increase. So just now the question give you 2. All right. Heating time. Allahu Akbar. Heating time. And one more thing, the question give you water temperature. Water temperature. Okay, this is this is what you should look inside your question, okay? This is what you have to fill in the empty space here, okay? This is just example. This is just example. So you have to change accordingly later. So for example, this one, we can write this word as well. This word you can change as well. Okay, just now Zafif used more, Adam used as time increases, okay? But teacher just showing you the easiest way for you to answer the relationship question, all right? This one, you can change. You can change into more. Lowest, you can change into less. You need to change accordingly, okay? All right. So, for heating time, which one is the most suitable for us? For example, longer. Longer we can use as well, longer, okay? As long as it means more, longer. Okay. Yes. Kasih, are you okay? Just now you suddenly left the class. Are you okay?
Oh, just now my iPad is out of battery.
Oh, out of battery. Okay. All right. So teacher hope you guys have this inside your book. Okay.
Wait, I'm not finished.
Okay. It's okay. You can continue. So we can change higher to longer. The longer the heating time. Okay. Comma. So we can use higher. The higher.
Teacher, can I say something? Why P4? Why P6 and so fast? Cepat.
Why what?
Why
What?
why P6 cepat habis kelas?
Cepat
Oh,
habis.
you say YP6, the class finish fast.
Finish early. Mikael already finished the class ke, Jaden?
What did you finish?
It's okay lah. It's okay lah. Okay, wait. I'll stop. Wait.
Why they finish class?
Not done yet. Okay, I know.